What's happening? Okay, so here's the thing. Flavor enhancers and GMO foods, they're unhealthy. GMO foods means genetically modified organisms that are found in food. Sometimes people have the wrong kind of air that they're breathing also. So flavor enhancers would include like imitation butter, include things like I don't know, just that stuff that they put in the soy sauce. Sometimes they'll put things in the Chinese food sometimes to enhance the flavor of it. So those things are not so good. Monosodium glutamate, you know what I'm saying? Try to avoid that stuff. Okay, and that'll really help your immune system to work better, so you don't have to worry about the coronavirus so much. Okay. And even if you're not sensitive to it, most of those flavor enhancers are poisonous. Now, when it comes to the air, I'm not an expert in the air by choice. I was forced into becoming an expert in the air. I lived in a moldy environment for 6 years. It's embarrassing for me to mention it, but I had mold in the place that I was living. I had mold in the place that I worked at. I had mold in my gym where I went and exercised at, and I had mold in the car that I was driving around. I had mold kind of everywhere. When I went outside, I felt a little bit better, but I was just so, you got to be careful of the quality of your air. You might have volatile organic chemicals coming up from a new carpet, coming up from a new mattress, coming up from something that was freshly painted. If you don't air it out and let it, make sure that the paint's dried and there's no more scent coming from the walls or whatever, you got to really be careful of this stuff. You might get a new Tempur-Pedic pillow that does that's off-gassing something, and that's poisonous too. That'll make you sick also. A new couch, new leather, new paint, new whatever. Okay, watch out for the air. That's going to really mess up your immune system. Watch out for flavor enhancers. Watch out for genetically modified organisms found in the food. They're genetically modifying most of the alfalfa, most of the wheat, and almost all, but not all, of the soy, okay? So you get a little genetically modified organisms and you start eating them, your body won't know if it was a healthy organism that was organic, like an organic wheat, or genetically modified wheat, because your nervous system will get so confused between the two of them, because that's what happens when you're exposed to that kind of genetically modified food. Okay, there's a lot more to it than this, but I just want to simplify things. If you contact our office immediately at 415-459-4313, we'll offer you the entire exam and new patient 1-hour treatment for just not $540, which is how much it normally costs. It's normally $540. You're just going to pay $47. That's pretty good, man. You got a good deal there, bro or sister. You just need to call now, 415-459-4313. Make sure you call before March 19th at 5 p.m. because that's when we're going to cut it off, and we're no longer going to offer this new patient health history and physical exam and our treatment that normally costs $540 for only $47. We're going to cut it off at that point. This is only good for the first 14 people, okay? I'll see you in the office.